Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: J-Clip's version, platform, and free workspace. Once that's clear, open the app and create a new project. You'll set the frame rate and aspect ratio immediately because those values affect all downstream edits. Next, import your source clips and label them clearly. Good naming prevents confusion later. Then, build a rough timeline by dragging primary shots into place. Make sure to save a project snapshot before you alter clips, so you can revert quickly if needed. You now focus on execution. Assemble and refine. Start with trims using ripple and roll edits to tighten timing. Small trims change pacing significantly. Once rough cuts are locked, apply primary color correction and normalize audio so transitions read smoothly. If a segment is complex, nest it into a subsequence to work non-destructively. Use markers for beats and labels for versions so you can jump instantly. As you refine, play back at full speed and at 50% to catch micro-timing problems. You're at finalization. Render segments first to validate effects and keyframes, and then export with the codec and bitrate required for delivery. Make sure audio meets LUFS targets and that video and audio remain in sync throughout. Once exported, inspect the file at full resolution and on a mobile device to confirm playback quality. If anything goes wrong, try a targeted fix. Clear cache, lower render thread count, or export a short test clip. That troubleshooting step resolves most last-minute failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.